Mondeo in for a map today, 2 litre diesel, about 140 brake stock. So let's see what we make. Initial power runs, here we go. Well, what's you made then, Jason?
A fucking lot.
A lot?
A lot.
What we got? What we got?
Well, from 167 to 215 and 270 foot-pounds, 329 foot-pound.
Get in, that'll do, won't it? That'll certainly send that Mondeo down the road. There we go. That's another stage one map from Dynodaze. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, as Jason said, a lot of gains. I think we've made 50 brake horsepower and about 60 foot-pound of torque. That's good going. There you go, little Mondeo, chipping about, diesel, loads of power, bags of torque.